Hello, bros. I'm just gonna make this a short video. Not trying to make this long. It's nighttime and I couldn't do Fridays with PewDiePie Jr. because I didn't have this account yet, so it was acting up. It was just acting up. You talking about me? What are you saying? What's your name? Yo. Yo. Yo.
Why?
Look at my face. Get Adam. So, okay, I'm gonna leave my address in the comments if you want to leave me mail. And, bye. Crap. Bye.